Hi, this is Doug Boone. This video is part of the instruction series for PetroVisual. In this video I will demonstrate creating calculated values within PetroVisual that can be used within the application. PetroVisual allows you to add calculations to the PetroVisual interface for values that are in the individual areas tables. Example of this might be a GOR, which is shown by this yellow stream. That's a combination of the gas divided by oil divided by 1,000. Where this is done is in the Edit Area Settings. So by clicking that dialog, you'll see we have access to each one of the tables that we work with when PetroVisual. Any calculation we add is not influencing the underlying database at all. If we would look at the AC production table, you can see where we have a calculation for GOR, and it's gas divided by oil divided by 1,000, and you can see the calculations we can use here. We also have a calculation for water cut. By clicking that, we can open it and change it or edit it. If we were to give an example of another type of calculation, if I go to a property table, that we want to take our operator and we want to look at it in a proper name, I can actually say add calculation. Let's call this operator proper. We can make this a text value, and what we'll do is move down, and you can see there's some date time formulas, there's math formulas, there's a number of text formulas. If we pick proper, then come over here and say operator and then close off the parentheses, we can actually test that. By hitting the test, you can see in fact here are the operators that are shown, and here are the values and how they look like when they've been in a proper mode. As soon as I say close and OK, you'll see that that value, operator proper, is part of the table. And what that also means is if I go back into my example where we've been before and done some work, whenever I look at a grid, I can come down to the data in that grid, and now when we move down to the bottom, you'll see operator proper, and by clicking this we can move it back and forth, but it's showing you that value now, and that can be used to display or to put in the graphs or bubbles or contours or group or anything else you need to. But that is all done in the Areas settings, and you can add as many calculated values to each one of the tables as you like. The limitation here is that the calculations have to be what's inside the table. We can't calculate between values in different tables.